All right, parents, good to see you. Mr. Waters here and Mr.
Daniel. Hello, everyone.
We're gonna be working on some blocking and countering drills that you can work at home with your children. And look what I brought, Mr. Daniel. One of my favorite tools in my arsenal.
The noodle.
The noodle. All right, let's go. Ah, hit. Wait a minute. Here's actually the secret to be able to learn how to block and counter. It looks a little less chaotic than that. All right, guard Mr. Daniel. All right, block, counter. Awesome, block, counter. Now, here's the secret to blocking and countering like a master. All right, now Mr. Daniel, give me that guard position. All right, so we got this tool right here, the noodle. I love this. You can get this from the Dollar Tree. It's fantastic. This is one of the best blocking tools in existence. And when we block and counter, you have to realize you've got to first start a good form right here, like Mr. Daniel is. His eye contact's so important. He wants his eyes looking at my shoulders. So eye contact to the eyes is great, but to the shoulders when we're doing martial arts techniques. Because what Mr. Daniel's going to try to do, he's going to try to use the side of his eyes to pick up the movement and then do his parry block. Or if I go from this side, he sees it and he can block it. Have you ever seen like where you have a spider come out the corner of your eye and then you're like, oh my gosh, and you jump back and become a ninja? This is the same concept. So I want to train him to see high definition here so he sees my shoulder move and he can block the techniques. Now that allows him to focus on what's most important, to ignore the punch, okay? Because here's what's gonna happen. If he looks at the noodle, this is what happens. He gets hit in high definition is what usually happens, or you flinch. So the eye contact's so important on the shoulders. Now from here, he's gonna counter after that. So if he blocks left, we're gonna counter right. We're gonna hold that target firm. So we're gonna go a little bit faster on that. Work one drill at a time. So he moves around a little bit. He's looking at my shoulders, block, counter. Start with the cues, tell him to do it. Block, counter. Then pretty much after this, you can just do it without that where your child reacts. And then Mr. Daniel's even faster than that. He's really quick on it. The time is boom, boom, 1, 2, very fast. Kind of like a heartbeat. It needs to be immediate, okay? That's very important for blocking and countering drills.